Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, what you're going to be seeing is us getting James's car back in the shop. This is the vehicle that we worked on before, but this time it's coming in for a VALVETRONIC exhaust installation. So headers, catless downpipes, and the muffler itself. So stay tuned till the very end of the video where we're going to show you flybys, drive-bys, and give you a sound clip of a 991.2 Porsche Turbo S with a full VALVETRONIC exhaust system. All right, so we got the 911 Turbo S all washed and cleaned up for us. It was not that dirty at all. If you remember this vehicle, it came into us for some work, I believe maybe about December-ish, where we wrapped the whole entire vehicle in XPEL Stealth paint protection film. We installed the windshield skin on it, ceramic coated the whole entire thing as well. Well, now it's coming back for some performance mods. So what we're gonna be doing is installing a VALVETRONIC titanium exhaust. So it's going to be a very interesting kit to assemble. We'll see how the quality is and so on and so forth. Very light. I mean, it's pretty much in like 25 pieces. So what we'll do is we'll unpackage everything, lay everything out, assemble it, showcase the exhaust right off the car. Tear apart the rear end, we'll pull the taillights out, the bumper's gonna come off, remove the factory. Well, I believe it's a factory exhaust, but it's got maybe some high flow cats or something, because it is a little bit louder, but we'll find out once we tear into the car. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think of the 991.2 Turbo S's. Do you prefer this generation or the 992? Without further ado, let's just get to work. Oh, and stay tuned till the end because we are going to do some driving videos and driving footage of this car specifically. So I hope you enjoy that. Yeah. So the car is on the lift, it's been prepped. Mike has taken apart the rear end, started assembling the exhaust over here. Let me know what you think about it. I think it looks pretty cool with the titanium. The headers are obviously not titanium, so but the exhaust itself is. So we have everything mocked up. These are catless downpipes, so we're going to be doing a Soundbind Design Stage 2 tune on this one as well, like mentioned before. I'm waiting on the Cobb Access Board to show up and we'll upload the tune. Can't wait to get this thing on the road. But we have Cars and Coffee tomorrow, so what we're going to do is we're going to keep the rear bumper off, just kind of showcase the exhaust itself. As you can see, the one that was on the vehicle when James bought the vehicle, pretty much just had a muffler deleted. Essentially, the cats are still there, the factory tips are still here as well, but the center suitcase part was removed. So the most, I guess, the hard part or whatnot will be doing all of the vacuum lines and then wiring for the control module, right? To make sure that everything works. We have the remote right over here as well. There is 2 of them. Actually, they got some weight to them. Nice, good, heavy metal remotes. So we'll get that wired up. Can't wait to shoot an update of firing up the vehicle. I hope it's gonna be louder. It better be louder, because the turbos are just known for being kind of like a vacuum cleaner, just not as loud as a GT3. But yeah, well, stay tuned. All right, as you can see, the exhaust is now on. What we don't have currently is we have not wired anything up, so the switch does not work, but it is in the open position, so this is gonna be a full cold start on this Porsche. All right, ready? Sounds nice. I'm more of a turbo guy. I like the GT3s, but I love the turbos. I like how they're nicely cut like that. Let me rev it a little bit. Oh, I miss my car. That sounds so good. I like the GT3s, but I love the turbos. I'm more of a turbo guy. The whistles? Obviously the car is not even tuned yet. I think once you get it tuned, you'll get more pops and bangs and crackles. All right, so what we're doing now, we have taken the vehicle out for a spin. The exhaust sounds really, really good. We're throwing on the BMC filter on this one. Gonna button everything up finally on this vehicle, and we're just waiting for the Cobb access port to show up with the uploaded stage 2 tune. We're gonna do a couple data logs on it. I'll get that over to Sam, and Sam by design, dial it in and get this thing on the road. Weather's been a little bit not in our favor, so we're not in a big hurry. It's been raining a lot, so don't want to be driving these kind of vehicles on, try to doing polls and data logging with bad weather and Sport Cup 2 tires. So anyways, gonna get the air filter in. Look at that, brand new. Make the car breathe a little bit better. Yeah, excited to get finishing results, shots, and get some more roll videos for you guys. Running pretty good. Just gotta let the car warm up a little bit, but while I'm doing that, sport mode. The way it keeps the valves all open. Do manual mode. Oh man, that does sound good. Does it sound good?
Yeah.
It's definitely a high pitch compared to what my car was. All right, guys, so there you have it. The 991.2 Porsche 911 Turbo S is all finished up. We got the exhaust on the vehicle. We got the headers and the downpipes on as well. We're still waiting on the tune itself. We are gonna flash it when it shows up here, but we're just running out of time and trying to get this video out for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the clip, all of the B-roll of this vehicle being on the road, the sounds and the exciting pops and bangs as this vehicle does with the Valvetronic exhaust. Let us know in the comments down below, is this exhaust worth it for the price, or should people be buying a different exhaust? Personally, we think it is great. The fitment was spot on. Everything was great about it. But anyways, stay tuned for the next video. Can't wait to share with you what else we got going on at the shop. But leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you.